What's up guys, Miles here, and yep, that's right, I didn't tell a dad joke, but that's okay. Today I'm going to share two things that are on my mind. One is how my marathon training is going, and two, an inspiring story from one of my students. So stay tuned and you're going to get both. First off is marathon training. Marathon training week 4, Monday completed 6 miles, Tuesday 800 meters times 6, Wednesday rest, Thursday was supposed to run but I took some rest because I just needed to go to bed early and just get some rest. Friday 6 miles, easy pace, Saturday 8 miles, Sunday rest. So that completed total of 26 miles. All right, that's in the books. Now we're on to week 5. That's what I plan on doing this week. Monday, 6 miles, easy pace. Tuesday, 1,200 meters. I'm going to do that 4 times. Wednesday, I'm going to rest. Thursday, I am going to do 6 miles. Friday, 7 miles. Saturday, 12 miles, and Sunday rest. So that is how my marathon training is going. Feel great about it. Doing a lot more easy miles, getting those miles in so that I'm not injured, not going too fast, not going too slow. But I gotta tell you this, I love my Tuesdays because I love just going fast. So those easy days are a little bit harder on me mentally, but if I get them in, it'll be easier for me to be injured free. So that is my marathon training and how it's going. So now to the story of one of my students. She demonstrated a ton of courage this week. So I'm a PE teacher and I had my students doing relay races with a team. They had maybe 4 to 6 people on their team. Everyone had completed the race except for one student. This girl, she did not give up. Everyone had already gone, but she's like, I'm going. And she ran, and they had to do it 4 times, back and forth from one end of the gym to the other, and she completed it. By the end of it, everyone was cheering her on, just clapping, cheering. I was super impressed, not only with her, but with the other students as well. It could have been pretty embarrassing for her to go by herself, but she did it, and she did not give up. Now, that just inspired me. There are so many times where I'm just like, oh, nobody's looking, I can just give up. But for her, everyone was looking, and she did something pretty challenging. Yeah, it could have been weird, it could have been awkward for her to keep going, but she did it, and all eyes was on her. So now to apply it to ourselves, when we've got eyes looking at us, we're doing something that maybe they're not doing. It's kind of awkward, it's kind of weird. If it is truly within our heart to have the desires to accomplish those things that we have set out to do, and we go ahead and do it, we have so much more courage, so much more determination, and people will get behind us if we are more determined when it's weird, when it is awkward, when we're doing things that they're not doing. I wanted to share that with you. Hopefully it inspired you to do something different, to do something weird when people are looking at you. Who knows, maybe you'll be on Influencers in the Wild. But I just wanted to share this, give you some little bit of push and motivation through the week. So I've created this YouTube channel for a sense of community, for us to come together as runners and for me to share my experience with you guys. And it's been great so far. We're at 400 subscribers. It's awesome. If this inspired you at all, this girl's story, share it with somebody, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. We are in this world together. It's harder to do things by ourselves, but if we've got people inspiring us, then yeah, we can do this. All right, I'm here for you. We got all the people in the comments here for you. Have a fantastic day. You deserve it because you're doing hard things. You are amazing. Peace.